Hello and welcome to the Journey, your go-to destination for all things CUET. 21st से 31st मई 2023 इन 10 दिनों में आपका और लाखों बच्चों का कॉलेज, कोर्स और फ्यूचर डिसाइड. It's only the second year of CUET, but the clarity about the exam among students is far and few between. And trust me on this, completing the syllabus will not help. आपको लगेगी एक robust strategy and someone to ensure that you're working on it diligently for the next 2 months. If you are gearing up of CUET, Common University's Entrance Test 2023, we are the one for you. We're excited to announce the launch of our CUET online courses designed specifically to help you ace the exam and secure a spot in your dream college. फिर वो शहीद सुखदेव हो, SRCC या LSR. Our team of experienced educators have put together a comprehensive curriculum that covers all the subjects, including commerce domain subjects that you need to make the cut. Whether you're someone who's just started or someone who's been preparing for a while, our course has something for everyone. With easy to follow lessons, interactive quizzes, and personalized feedback, we'll guide you every step of the way on your journey to glory. Our course includes classes of commerce domain subjects like accountancy, economics, business studies, and language like English and general text. Booster live sessions. मान लो कि आप एक क्लास मिस कर देते हो. What next? You'll get recorded sessions for the same. Weekly GK live sessions, जो कि बहुत हेल्पफुल होंगे आपके लिए for CUET general test. 200 plus practice mocks, which includes sectional plus full length mocks. इसमें, if you're somebody who's looking for freebies, go head out to our portal. One-to-one live mentorship session. Our team includes toppers who have aced the exam last year. Form filling and preference list guidance. Last year, there were a lot of students who were able to ace CUET but could not fill the form properly. We'll also assist you on that matter. 24/7 doubt solving on our Telegram channel. You might be thinking कि ये बहुत expensive होगा, but
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
Everything at just 3499. And if you avail it before 9th of April, you'll be getting an additional of 10% discount. अब 2 months बाकी है, CUET कहीं नहीं जा रहा. आप भी यही हो और हम भी यही हैं. और अब भी अगर कुछ समझ नहीं आया, तो you can visit our website and contact our mentors. They'll be assisting you through the process. And.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
If you're a master of all trades, यानी कि if you're targeting the IPM program at IIMs or you're looking at NMIMS, GRISE, Symbiosis, Xavier's, then we have something for you as well. Introducing IPMAT, the CUET 2023 mega course. All you need to crack a spot in these colleges at only ₹5,999. Our course includes set of 9 physical books which will be delivered on your doorstep, ebooks which can be printed, weekly live sessions, 100 hours plus recorded lectures on the go, recorded doubt clearing sessions, one-to-one interaction with students from IIMs across the IPM spectrum, personalized training for PI round, regular and standardized mock tests to track your progress, mental health support throughout the journey. You can use the promo code BUY10 to avail 10% discount on all our courses and mocks. Head over to our website at thejourneyphase.org and check out our CUET and IPMAT 2023 courses. You can also book a free counseling session with our mentors. Be a part of the Journey Phase family. Be an achiever. Hoping to see you on the other side.